Hey everyone, I found myself procrastinating today, so I decided to do a quick video on how I get through procrastination and how I understand procrastination. I think when you look at procrastination, you're going to find it's deeply rooted in fear. Fear, basically by definition, it has a lot to do, it prevents us from taking action. It also distorts our reality and fills our imagination with a lot of times the worst case scenarios. When I talk about fear in regards to procrastination, I'm not talking about the types of fear that if you do something you're going to die. This is not life or death type fears. These are fears that are rooted in like our daily jobs as realtors and agents and brokers and team leaders that we procrastinate on. Simple things like fearing picking up the phone and calling a past client that you've lost touch with in the last couple of years. Or, when I can relate to, taking your phone out of your pocket and doing a video about your career and how excited you are to be in real estate or a neighborhood or just whatever about real estate and putting it on your personal Facebook page. A lot of times our brains goes, I can't do that. I don't want to be that direct. What if I don't look good? There's all kinds of things that run through our head that say we shouldn't do that, or I can't do that. Many of you can, which is awesome, but there's many of us that struggle with it. So when I was doing some research on trying to find some self-help stuff to get me through this, I ran across a video on YouTube as a TED Talks video where the gentleman talked about asking yourself 4 questions to try and get through some of these imaginary fears. The first question is very cliche. What's the worst thing that could happen? Don't just go through it in your brain and your imagination. Write it down on paper. What's the worst thing that can happen if I take this action? The next question is what can I do to prepare so that it limits the chances that that worst thing happens? Can I think about what I'm going to say before I whip my phone out of my pocket? I can't really change how I look, but maybe I can make sure I don't look disheveled, or I at least look like I'm happy to be in my career or happy to be at where I'm at that day. The third question is what happens if the worst thing happens? What can I do to prepare repair the damage that I've done? Get prepared for that, at least in your mind. Write it down so that you are prepared. If no one, if they say your video sucks or you provide no value, Chris, quit filling up my timeline with whatever. What can you do to repair that? And the fourth question, which really rings home with me, is what will it cost me if I don't get over this fear 30 days from now, 6 months from now, a year from now, or 3 years from now? If 3 years from now I still have a fear of doing whatever this is, what's it costed? What does it cost me? That rings home with me in a big way. You can flip that question and say, okay, what am I going to gain? If I get over that fear today, what am I going to gain in 30 days? Is it confidence? Is it a sense that I can do this? Maybe it's financial reward. I don't know. You have to define that for yourself. So those 4 questions really helped me. They helped me get through my day. A lot of times I find myself asking myself those 4 questions when I'm procrastinating on something. I hope they can help you. I hope everybody's having a great day. Thanks. Bye.